How to clear system data on iPhone. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. First things first, you can do a simple restart, as a simple restart can clear temporary system cache. See if that helps, and if not, then launch the settings application on your device and scroll down to the bottom and tap on apps. Further, tap on Safari and then tap on the clear history and website data. Here, select the all history option and then tap on clear history. This can reduce system data significantly. Next, in settings again, tap on general and then on iPhone storage. Here, tap on messages or simply go ahead and review large photos, videos, and GIFs and delete what you don't need. Also, you can also remove and reinstall problem apps, which includes cache. So go ahead and delete the app like social media apps or games and then reinstall it from the App Store. This clears hidden cache data. Also, in settings again, tap on general and then on iPhone storage and look for an iOS update file and delete it if present. Further, in general again, tap on transfer or reset iPhone and then tap on reset and then choose the reset all settings option there. Further, enter a passcode and reset all settings. Make sure that this will not delete photos or apps but will just reset Wi-Fi and password settings and see if that helps. If not, you can simply erase your iPhone completely. Make sure to back up your iPhone before erasing it, and this rebuilds system files and often reduces system data dramatically. So these were a few ways on how you can clear system data on iPhone. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.